Good morning, everybody. This is Saturday morning. Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you being here. It's pretty dark, but what is sitting in front of us is a 2020 Silverado 1500 crew cab high country with the 6.2. And what makes this truck a little bit different is it actually has the standard bed, so not the short bed. So this bed is, nowadays they're almost 7 feet long if you actually measure the inside. So this is the longer wheelbase crew cab. But as you see by the title, today's video, we're going to install a Corsa catback exhaust on this truck that retains the factory dual exhaust out the bumper. So there is frost on this truck. It's about 35 degrees. I'm at the customer's house. I told him I'd just be here bright and early to pick it up. You can't really see it, but I just want to give you a cold start on the factory exhaust. This truck probably has about 1,000 miles on it. So here we go. 6.2 cold start factory exhaust. So as you can see, it's pretty subtle, pretty quiet, and we're going to change that for the owner. Let's get started. I'm on my way to the dealership. I just figured I'd turn the camera on inside the cab. I've got the windows up, radio off. Just want to kind of give you an idea of what this truck sounds like driving down the road with the stock exhaust, and then we'll do a comparison once we get the Corsa on. So I'll just give you some ride along in the cab, different speeds, and different types of acceleration. That 10-speed really does shift nice, I gotta tell you. We're not in sport mode, tow haul, nothing like that, just a normal driving mode. Okay, so here's what we're starting with. This is the factory system. So you can see there's resonators behind, each tip. And this system is technically it's one pipe out of the muffler, and then it splits into two. So there's a good sized muffler in the back, two resonators, and this new system will utilize the stock tips like we talked about. We got Tim here helping me out. Tim was in one of my videos at the track. He has the EcoBoost, the red one, the extended cab. We were drag racing recently. We'll get this open up and I'll show you this system here. We'll lay it all out. So there's the pipe that connects right to the converter. Pretty long piece there. And even the Corsa muffler is a pretty big muffler in comparison to the GM muffler, but of course it's what's inside the muffler which makes the difference as far as sound and performance. This is all stainless steel, lifetime warranty. You guys may have seen my video with the Tahoe. I'll put a link. We put a Corsa on a Tahoe RST 6.2, but great system. You guys that know Corsa know it's a quality product, and we chose the Corsa over the competition because the sound. We just like the sound of this exhaust versus the other available options out there in stainless steel. Ready. Rev it up, Tim. Oh yeah. Sounds good. Nice job, Corsa. This exhaust is great for cruising. No interior drone. You can have a conversation. Doesn't make your ears buzz. You can hear it, it's there, but it's nothing aggravating, nothing off-putting. They did a really nice job on this system. Great engineering, high quality, excellent sound. If you're looking for a catback performance exhaust for your GM truck, Corsa is definitely a good way to go.